Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Dose of O, where you can get a dose of beauty, fashion, and travel. If you are curious and want to know how I achieved this look, stay tuned because I'm going to show you how I achieved this look with all products from the lip bar. Also, I am now partnered with the lip bar, so if you want to purchase any of these products, feel free to use the discount code Dose of O for 10% off your purchase. So what's really cool about shopping at the lip bar is that you can take the foundation that you already own and enter that information in a quiz on their website, and then it would generate all the different products that will look good with your complexion. So when I took the quiz, I fell into the 4 o'clock family, which is also like the cinnamon family, and I got a whole bunch of things in my fast face kit. So let's get right into what is in my fast face kit. I received the Fast Face Foundation, and it's a skin serum foundation that has hyaluronic acid and Irish moss extract. What's really cool about this, it comes with a brush and it comes with the pump on the bottom. The thing it comes with is something for your brows. It's a 2-in-1 brow gel and pencil. So you have the pencil on one side and you have the gel on the other side. Another thing that it comes with is the Lash Flash Strengthening Mascara. What's really cool about this, it actually is supposed to help with the growth of your eyelashes. So it's actually infused with green tea extract with the straight Outta Patience eyeliner, which is great to line your waterline. Also comes with a dual-sided brush that I've already used, so it's a little brown. Comes with this palette as well that was specifically designed for the 4 o'clock family. So you highlight, this is the setting powder, this is the contour, and that's the blush. Concealer. Infused with caffeine. It's supposed to give you a nice pick me up which is also really nice, and I feel like it goes perfectly in this bag. So let's get into some swatches. So right now I have on no makeup because I wanted to give you guys like a fresh base so you can see how everything goes on my skin tone in case you're similar to my complexion and you wanted to see how everything looks. So let's get started with the brows. So this is the highbrow. So this is the brows that I'm getting from this product. I like that it's pretty dark because I have really dark eyebrows. So it seems to go really, it seems to work really nicely. I like to clean my brows up with a concealer. These are how my brows look after I apply the highbrow and I put the use the concealer to clean them up. The next thing I'm gonna do is prime my eyelids. I'm gonna set this concealer with this shade here, and I'm going to use a flat brush for that. Just put that on top of the eye. This palette, I just went off camera to just smoke up my eyes a little bit so I can go into swatching the liquid eyeshadows for you guys. So we have 3 liquid shadows today, and I want to show you how these swatch before I pick one to put on my face today. So what we have right now is Girl Next Door, really rich metallic gold color, Hot Tamale, which is a shimmery red color, Jet Setter color is a shimmery purple. And because I want to do a bold lip today, I'm going to go in with probably Girl Next Door, which is this metallic gold color. I'm going to take this color and apply just in the center of my eye to make like a halo effect, and then I just blended it out. As the higher I got, I blended out the glitter, so then you can see that it looks like a diffused halo. So that's literally all I did. I'm going to finish up the eyes at the end, but what I have here is the straight Outta Patience eyeliner, and I'm just going to use it to line my waterline. So the eyeliner is super pigmented, and this is not my first time trying this eyeliner. I have worn this eyeliner for a few weeks now, and it is, like I said, it's super pigmented and it's high quality because as you go through your full day, it doesn't give you raccoon eyes. Like, it actually stays in place. Now let's get into the foundation. So my foundation shade is shade 403 in the Fast Faced Skin Serum. And the way it's used is you pump it and then it comes out like this. You can just like dot it on your face first, and then you can go in and like actually blend it out. I'm going to use a brush that I normally use to blend out my foundation because it will go a bit faster. Alright guys, so I just finished applying the Fast Face Skin Serum Foundation to only one side of my face. I applied it to this side of my face. Nothing is on this side of my face. So let me know what you think about the match down in the comment section down below. And I'm gonna go in and do the other side of my face. Alright, so this is my face with the foundation and it's completely on now. Now let's get into highlighting and giving my face some more dimension. What I'm gonna do is try the quick concealer. This is my first time actually like really putting it on my face and using it to highlight and all that stuff. So I'm going to just go like this. It's very natural. So it will be great for everyday wear. So this is after I apply the second coat of the concealer, and it's really nice. It looks very natural, but only because I'm going out tonight and I want this eye look to be a night look, like a more of like a night look. So I wanted my under eyes to look a little more brightened, and I'm not really going for the whole like natural look right now. Although natural is good, but so I added the brightening concealer, and I also set my face with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. And now I'm going to set everything with setting powder in the shade Young Stunner. I am not going to use contour. I'm going to bronze using the Fresh Glow Bronzer Duo by the Lip Bar, and it comes with a bronzer and it comes with a blush. So I'm gonna go in with this color just to put on the apples of my cheeks. So the highlight that I'm going to go in with is the So Icy highlight that comes in this palette. So the highlight is a super natural highlight, I'm gonna tell ya. Super natural highlight for everyday wear. It doesn't have too much glitter in it. It's shimmery, but it's not too glittery. So that's it. No highlight. My fast face. Now I'm going to just finish my eyes off camera, add a lippy, and I'll be right back. Hey friends, I'm back. So I added some lashes. I finished up the bottom waterline and added some mascara to my bottom lashes, and then I added a lippy. So this is the finished look using all products from the Lip Bar, just with the exception of a little few things here and there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you were curious to know what lippy I'm wearing, you will have to wait till the next video. So I really hope you're subscribed and that notification bell is on, because in the next YouTube video I'm going to be doing lip swatches from lippies that I received from the Lip Bar, and this is one of the new colors that I got.